guys, in this video we are going to look how we can apply for the software engineering summer internship at Microsoft. We are going to look for the all step-by-step procedure from A to Z and whole application form filling here. And now let's start. Let's go to the Microsoft official career website. Then you can go to very first link. Then let me tell you the name of the internship. This is Software Engineer Explore Intern. This is mainly for the second year. Then you can just go for the find job. Then here you can see there are various application. The very first one you have to click. Then here is the job description written over here. It's on-site internship, means you have to go to the location. And talking about more review. So this is for second year. So what your responsibility is going to be there. You will gain an hands-on experience on various tools and programming languages in the field of software development. Together with, you will closely work with the manager, mentor and group of interns. And also this will going to be 12-week internship, means approx 3-month intern. Now let's see the qualification required for this internship. The eligibility criteria is you should be enrolled in bachelor degree program. So as you are in second year pursuing your BTech degree from some engineering college, so you are eligible for this internship. And you should be enrolled for the 4-year undergraduate degree like BTech. Together with they are asking for complete an introduction to the computer science course, mainly dedicated for the computer science course students or equivalent. And prefer should be demonstrate your interest in majority computer science and computer engineering related technical measures. And now let's proceed how we can apply for the internship. Now we can see that would you like to apply for the software engineering's Explore Intern. So location, there are multiple locations, so you can click over here. So if you haven't uploaded the resume previously, then you need to upload it here, and then this will get autofill from your resume. Then you can add your contact details, like I'm just writing the random number now. Now you can also add your alternate number and your address. So I will write Mahadevpura, and the state, it's in Karnataka. Then you can also write about the city, so it's in Bangalore. Then the postal code, which is 5 for me, and it would be different for you, depends upon your location. And then you have to go for the work authorization. So are you legally authorized to work in the country or region you are applying to? So if you are citizen of India, then you can click yes option. You are legally authorized to work here. And do you need any sponsorship and immigration related employment benefit? So no, you don't need, because you already live in India. So just click on no option. Then you have to self-identify your gender. So I'm female, I will go for the female option. And then there is an candidate question over here, that are you currently or have been a member of military? So I have never been, so I will go for the no option. If you are, then you can click on yes option. Then they are asking for, have you signed into non-corporate or non-disclosure statement which may become the obstacle to your acceptance at Microsoft. So no, there is nothing which I have signed that can be an obstacle for my Microsoft intern. So I will go for the no option. Then, have you ever worked for the Microsoft as full time? So it's my first internship, so I will go for no. And as I have not worked in the Microsoft as full time or part time or as an intern, so you can go for the no option. If you have, then you can go for the yes option. Then this option asking about, are you currently employed by any Microsoft subsidiary? So currently I am not employed by any Microsoft subsidiary, so I will go for the no option. If you have, then you can go for yes. Then they are asking about job specific question. This question is asking about, do you have any active backlog? So I don't have, so I will go for no option. If you have, then you can click for the yes option. Then they are asking about, will you be graduating in 2028? So yes, I am graduating in 2028 because I'm in my second year right now. Then they are asking about acknowledgement, so just click yes, yes, yes. Then you can submit up your application. Okay, select a legal name. This name is same as your preferred name, so yes, legal name and preferred name both. Then I can go for the submit application. And yeah, my application has been successfully submitted. So now how you can see your application that you have applied for, go to the action center. Then you can see there is an application, go over there, then you have applied for this and this has been submitted. And if there is any update, it will be shown over here from the Microsoft employees. And I have one more suggestion to you, like you can also get referral from the employees who are already working at Microsoft, so it will give an edge to your profile, so you will get benefited and there is a high chances of your to got shortlisted. So try to reach out the people in the LinkedIn, so try to connect to them and ask for the referral. Write a beautiful message, uh, LinkedIn message, and then just text them and ask for referral. Send your resume and details, and yes, we are good to go. And yeah, that is all from my side. Thank you so much.